Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the latest update on how to change your Instagram profile picture using your PC. If you've been wanting to refresh your profile or showcase a new look, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Instagram.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, look to the left side menu where you'll see various icons. Next, click on the More icon located in that left side menu. This will expand additional options for you. From there, select Settings. Now, you'll want to navigate to the Edit Profile section, which is usually right above your current profile picture. Here comes the exciting part. Look for the option that says Change Photo and give it a click. You'll see a few choices pop up for uploading a new image. Click on Upload Photo to proceed. This action will open a File Explorer window where you can browse through your computer's files. Take your time to find the perfect photo that you want to use as your new profile picture. Once you've selected the image, click Open. After selecting your photo, you'll see a preview of how it looks on your profile. It's important to confirm this change. Look for the confirmation button on the page, which typically says Submit or Save Changes, and click it. And just like that, your new profile picture is now live for all your followers to see. Changing your Instagram profile picture on PC is quick and straightforward, especially with this new update. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy posting.